Hello YouTube. So finally I'm here after completing the 2 coats of minwax one-step finish. Here's the floor condition. Looks much better than before, and all the scratches and dents are pretty much concealed inside, so now nothing very much visible. So that has covered everything. Yep, it looks really nice. That's a nice product. So it covered up pretty much all these scratches on my floor, except for some major ones over here, like this one here and this one. So the rest are covered, so it looks really nice, just like a new floor now. It has a gloss finish and looks good.